The science market in general is changing all the time.
That connection between us and our environment is getting closer and closer.
The requirements are complex and they change over time.
There's a lot of work to be done to try to change the industry.
A lot of buildings that try to be all things to all people and then ultimately aren't.
And that means that the cost goes up, but also the materials.
There's competing tension between the two of them.
We need to do something differently because what we're doing now isn't working.
Can we design in less from the beginning so it is lower in carbon, lower in cost, quicker to build?
Facilities that are flexible and adaptable.
Rather than baking that in from the outset.
It feels like the right thing to do.
Let's just think about this in a different way. We're going to design a brilliant building which is adaptable.
We're not reinventing the wheel. What we're doing is doing simple stuff really well.
And where we settled on was something that starts off very simple.
And if that changes, the building flexes to go up.
We can upgrade the building in straightforward steps in an economical way.
That's the principle. So start with a baseline and add and add and add to the building.
It can grow with science.
Setting the right brief was important.
It's been a really iterative design process.
Challenge the norms at every single stage: substructure, superstructure, frame, roof, PV, MEP.
What we've come up with is a nice piece of architecture, but what we're trying to do is create spaces that will become important for the people who are in them and what they do in them.
We're offering standards of performance which are, industry leading.
It's Bryan ready, it's well ready, it meets the UK Net Zero Carbon Building Standard.
It's future-proofed, but without having to bake in that cost and that carbon from the outset.
What we've got here is a platform that's very deliverable from day one.
You can go faster now that the base thinking has been done.
They're exciting points for a developer because it can be changed.
I hope this approach will just keep evolving.
We want to get challenged because that's where the innovation is going to come from.
If we can get to a place where we've challenged the market to look at the building in a different way with some longevity, then maybe we might get to a better place.